talk about the lies keeping many Nigerians from owning property. I hear these lies every day, and if you still believe them, you will stay a tenant forever. Number one lie: you must be rich before you buy land. Biggest lie ever. You can start with 500k or 1 million naira on flexible payments. I have seen clients start small and grow into landlords in less than 2 years. Yes. Number two lie: land far from town has no value. Please go and ask from people who bought in Shangotedo 5 years ago. They are smiling now. Yes, distance today becomes prime tomorrow. Number three lie: buying from family and friends is safer. Not true. Real estate is about process, not emotions. Always verify documents, even from your uncle. Lie number four: once I buy land, I don't need documents. Until one day you hear another person built on your land. C of O, deed of assignment, survey are not luxury. They are protection. Number five lie: real estate is for men. Women are buying properties every day now. Some of my boldest clients are women. They don't wait, they act. The biggest lie of all is waiting for the perfect time. Prices never wait. Every year you delay, the same property gets more expensive. If you are ready to start small and grow smart, I will show you verified options that fit your budget. You can send me a message, and please like, share, and subscribe so more Nigerians stop believing these lies. Catch you in my next one.